To install aquasonic meters with a saddle on your pipe, start by using a hole saw to cut a 2-inch diameter hole on your pipe. The hole should be located with straight line runs of at least 5 times the pipe diameter downstream of the meter, and straight line runs of at least 10 diameters upstream to prevent turbulence from impacting the meter's accuracy. The hole should also be located at a 10 o'clock or 2 o'clock position on your pipe to prevent air bubbles from collecting on the meter's transducer faces. Clean the pipe of any debris and deburr the inner and outer edges of the cut pipe using a deburring tool or sandpaper. Next, insert the 2 threaded studs into the saddle. Add a nut to each threaded stud as shown to hold the threaded studs to the saddle. Tighten down with a 7/16" wrench. Then add an additional nut to each threaded stud as shown and install the sleeve into the saddle. Add an additional nut to each threaded stud on top of the sleeve as shown. Place the gasket over the hole cut in the pipe and place the pre-assembled saddle over the gasket. Ensure the saddle engages the hole properly and the saddle contour matches the pipe's outside diameter. Attach 2 band clamps around the pipe to secure the saddle and tighten with a 7/16" wrench to 75 inch-pounds of torque. Then remove the top 2 nuts and pull the sleeve from the saddle. Using a tape measure, measure the distance from the lip of the inside of the pipe to the top of the saddle. Mark this measurement onto the outside of the sleeve with a permanent marker. Then replace the marked sleeve back into the saddle, engaging the threaded studs to the marked depth. Twist the bottom nuts upward to the bottom of the sleeve flange, then replace the top 2 nuts and tighten with a 7/16" wrench. Next, insert the aquasonic meter into the sleeve, taking care to align the flow indicator arrow on the insert with the direction of flow in your installation. Finally, insert the quick release pin to secure the insert to the T. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing FLOMEC.